In this video, we are going to download and install the Steam application on your laptop or on your PC. So guys, if you want to play games or install some applications from Steam, you might need to install or download it on PC. So it's pretty straightforward. Just go to Google and write here Steam and just click on the welcome screen. So if you already have an account, you can just log in from here, or even you don't have the account, you find the option right here to install the Steam. It will take you to this area and just click again install Steam, and it will ask you to choose the download location. Just choose the download location and click on save. And if you're using the Brave browser, you might see this unverified download blocked. So in that case, I can just click on this option and click on download unverified file. So now that it's downloaded, just go to a folder, or you can directly play the setup from here. Just let me show you from this setup. It looks something like this. Just double click and click yes and click next. Just choose your language here, choose next, and go to the destination folder and just choose your preferred location from here. Make sure you have the enough space and click on install. And we can click on run Steam, but it will update it first. So once it is updated, I'll show you the further process. So once the update is done, it will take you to this screen where it says to sign in. So if you already have an account, you can use the sign in credentials. Otherwise, we can just click on the bottom right, which says create an free account. Now it's pretty straightforward to create your new account. Just choose an email ID, confirm your address, just choose the residency and click on I'm not a robot and click on these options, and then continue. It will ask you for the username and password, but just keep in mind that if you're creating a username, it shouldn't be with spaces, and the password is 8 characters long. So I already have an account, so let's mention the credentials here. Let's write my password and click on sign in. And now it's available. You can just explore it, go to the library and download the free games, whatever you like, view games gallery, free to play games, and you can just download and install that and play. So guys, that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.